There's no denying it. Life as we know it has changed because of this pandemic. For students, this fall will be different than any other back-to-school experience. Good afternoon. I'm Aaron Luna.
And I'm Neil Wong. Experts say not having the social interaction students are used to could take a toll on their mental health. Katerina Chryssafis has news for your health and information you need to help your kids get through this tough time.
Well, the mom I spoke with says she's heartbroken her kids won't be able to attend school in person this fall. You can expect your kids to get emotional. Thankfully, there are ways to help ease the stress. The emotions we've been feeling during this pandemic can be hard to process. For kids and teens, it can be especially difficult.
It's still a challenge daily because they don't think they truly understand quite yet that they might not be able to go back to school at this point.
Sabrina-Torres says as a parent, it's also been a struggle.
It's been so difficult because I'm like, how do you tell your 5-year-old that's been so stoked to go to kindergarten and start at her sister's school that she's not going and her mom's her new teacher for right now?
She's not alone.
I don't have any magic answers or this is the right thing to do, but what I can tell you is we need to meet our youth with compassion.
Allie Gibson, program administrator with Frontier Behavioral Health, says compassion starts with creating a safe space.
But have we had a conversation of, man, how's that sitting with you? How you doing with this? You're not going to get to see your buddies. What's that like for you?
Even when they aren't seeing their friends, David CRUMP, director of mental health with Spokane-Public-Schools, says it's important for kids to still feel connected.
We may have to comply with the distancing physically, but emotionally and relationship-wise, that's where we get our strength.
He says contrary to popular belief, screen time can be beneficial to kids who are feeling isolated.
So use that. But you have to provide the structure.
Structure not just with time spent online, but also everyday activities.
Kids still need a schedule. So a scheduled time to go outside, a scheduled time to exercise, a scheduled time to do social connectedness.
Overall, it's about finding ways to help our kids feel a little less alone.
And it's not the best situation, but we can make it a better situation for our kids.
It's also important to let your kids know that there is help. They can stay completely anonymous. We'll have all of that information for you online. Just find this story on KXLY.com. In studio, Katerina Chryssafis, 4 News Now.